Hi, and welcome to the Pittman Stenography playlist on my personal YouTube channel. My name is Tori, and I am a professional court reporter. I love every aspect of what it is that I do, and my goal for this particular playlist on my channel is to hopefully inspire people to learn more about the profession of court reporting. Whether it is that you want to learn what I do on a day-to-day basis, or if you want to find out about court reporting in general, or the business practices. I'm looking forward to learning with you and sharing all of my experience. I am currently a YouTube novice, and so as we move forward, I hope that you and I will grow together. Please be kind as I learn this new technology. I must say that one of the things that I love about court reporting is the fact that I'm always learning, whether it's vocabulary or just about different things that go on in the world, whether it's the working of a nuclear power plant or about some medical procedure. I always find that learning is so challenging. So as we move forward, please recognize that I am a work in progress, but I look forward to spending some time with you on this channel and talking about professional court reporting. Thanks so much, and I'll see you around.